This is the video to learn how to insert table in PowerPoint. So insert and table and draw the table of number. Here are so many styles. You can resize it easily. Also, you can insert the table by drawing or manually insert the number of row and number of columns. Change color, style, whatever you like. That's it. Thanks for watching.